Hello everyone, my name is Robert J. Cincoyamaya from College of Engineering, first year college, Block 1B. Today, we discuss about inverse trigonometric function. So, yung last time na topic natin is trigonometric, ngayon naman ay inverse trigonometric functions. So, meron po tayong example dito. Find the derivative of arcsine x ay 6x squared. So, try po natin sagutan ito. Try po natin kunin yung derivative nito ng arcsine x squared. By the way po, ito po yung formula. Formula ng inverse trigonometric function. So, sa arcsine, positive 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared times sa du over dx. Ganun din po, pag sa cosine naman, negative 1. Marami po yan sila. Arcsine, cosine, arctan, cotangent, cosecond, and second. So, dito lang po tayo mag-focus ngayon sa ating example. So, find the derivative of arcsine 6x squared. So, arcsine 6x squared. So, ang formula niya po ay ito, arcsine. So, 1 over square root of 1 minus 6x squared. Tapos, ayan. So, ganyan po magiging itsura niya. Then, yung u po natin is yung inside, yung 6x squared. So, u equal to 6x squared. Then, yung derivative niya is 12x. Ayan. So, sabi dito, i-multiply natin sa u. So, 12x. So, sagot niyan. So, times natin. 1 times 12x is 12x over square root of. So, dito is 1 minus. So, multiply natin sa dalawa, yung 6. So, 6 times 6 equals to 36. So, 36 x tapos 2 times 2 each 4. So, yan po ang ating sagot sa final derivative of arcsine. So, yung nakuha natin sagot is 12x over square root of 1 minus open and close parenthesis 36x raised to 4. So, yun lamang po. At naway may matutunan po kayo sa video ito.